Hello everyone and welcome to my channel From Pizza to Dalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this amazing, healthy and delicious strawberry smoothie. And also I'll be sharing one variation of it, that is strawberry banana smoothie bowl. जदि ये वीडियो को आपण ओडिया रे देखि जाउछंती देन तळे थिबा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे लिंक को चेक करंतु. Let's start with the recipe. First take half cup of milk, half cup of yogurt or thick curd, 1/4 cup of honey and 8 to 10 frozen strawberries. You can also use fresh strawberries. Frozen strawberries just give the creaminess that we want. Blend everything till smooth. Serve in your choice of glass. Our healthy and delicious strawberry smoothie is ready now. This is a perfect breakfast option. Now to move to the variation. In the same smoothie mixture, chop and add 1 banana. Banana gives thickness and creaminess to the smoothie bowl. Now blend till smooth. Serve in your choice of bowl and top it off with your choice of toppings. I have used chopped strawberries, oats, chopped almonds and few chia seeds. This particular breakfast option is healthy and filling as well. So if you are a strawberry lover like me, then do try this out yourselves and enjoy. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.